Hi, this is Kannababu. In the last class we discussed about admin will view the bus details. In this video I want to discuss about how to delete the bus details and how to edit the bus details. So this is our project, and here as I discussed earlier that grid view control will have the properties called auto generate delete button. By default auto generate delete button is false. If auto generate delete button is false, then delete button will not be displayed within the grid view control. Now I kept auto generate delete button is equals to true. It means that we are intimating to the grid view control to automatically generate a delete button within the grid view control. Now whenever user clicks on delete button, it has to delete the record from the table. For that we need to write the code. So here whenever user clicks on delete button, then row deleting event will fail. So right click on grid view, go to the properties. There you can see events. There you can find an event called row deleting event. Double click on row deleting event and write the code. Here you just keep the breakpoint and once debug and check the output. So here admin will view the bus details, and when admin clicks on delete button, then automatically row deleting event will fire. So for that we need to create one stored procedure. So here I will try to open my SQL Server Management Studio, and here I will go to the new query. I want to create a new procedure. To make the things faster, I will automatically paste the procedure here. So here you see create procedure, procedure name, parameters. Because I want to delete the record based on the service number. So command completed successfully. Now here within my Visual Studio Editor, I will go to the data access layer. Go to the Solution Explorer. Here you can go to the data access layer, and already we are having a lot of methods are there within this data access layer. So now here I want to write one more region, hash region. The name of the region is, I will give as delete bus. And to make the things faster, I will automatically generate the code here. So I will declare one method, public int delete bus, and at the time of calling this method, I am passing the input parameter as business objects. Here you can see business objects dot business object, namespace name dot class name, because I have to pass the input parameter as service number. So create the connection, open the connection, pass the procedure, mention that we are working with stored procedure, and here we need to pass the value for the parameter. And here service number is a property that was declared under business objects class. So here I want to return the value. The return type of this method is integer, because execute non-query return type is int. If the record is successfully inserted, it will return 1. If the insertion is failed, it will return 0. So this is the method that was written within the data access layer. Now build and build the solution. Now similarly how to declare the same method within the business logic layer, and here I will declare one more region. The name of the region I will give as delete bus, and to make the things faster I will automatically write the code for delete. So here I declared one method called public int delete bus, and for this method I will try to pass the input parameter as business objects. Right. Actually here the presentation layer will trying to set the value for the service number, and we will send to business logic layer, and business logic layer will again forward the same value to data access layer. Is it clear? So this is about the delete bus. Now here we are calling the delete bus method that is available within the data access layer. You must not forget the architecture of 3 tier. At every point we need to concentrate on that. At any cost we must not violate the rule of 3 tier architecture. That is, presentation layer must interact with the data access business logic layer. Business logic layer must interact with data access layer. So here I will go to the view bus, and here within the view bus, when user clicks on delete button, then automatically row deleting event will fire. So grid view control will have a property called data key names property. This property is used to set the column name based on which you want to perform the operation. Here I want to delete the record based on which column? Service number, that is SV number. So here I will set the data key names property as SV number. Now I want to delete the record based on the service number. So I will write the code within the row deleting event. So here I will try to declare one string variable. String SV number is equals to, I will write some code, grid view 1 dot data keys of e dot row index dot value dot toString. So what is the meaning? So here we need to check that grid view control each and every row can be identified by using index number. So always index number start from where? 0, and this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So whenever user clicks on delete button, the step number 1 is, we need to count the number of rows that are available within the grid view control, and then we need to catch the index value of the row where user clicks on the delete button. Here when I click on second row, the index number is 1, because always the row index will start from 0. And then we need to delete the record based on the columns, that is we set the column name in data key names property. It means that here you see, data keys will count the number of rows that are available within the grid view control, and row index will catch the index value of the row where user clicks on the delete button, and value property will catch the value that is available within that row based on the data key names property that we set under the properties window. Is it clear? So I got the service number, and now this service number you have to set within the properties. So here I will try to create an object for business objects. So here you see business objects dot business objects obj bo is equals to new business objects of, and here obj bo dot service number is equals to sv number. I hope you understood. Similarly, I need to create an object for business logic layer. Business logic layer dot business logic layer obj bll is equals to new business logic layer of, and obj bll dot what is the method name we have written there? Delete bus. And the return type of this method is what? Int I. And here this method is accepting the parameter as obj bo. If you want, you can check here. Delete bus is, we need to pass the parameter, object name of business objects. So obj bo. Is it clear? So here I will write one message. If I double equals to 1, I want to display one message saying that record is deleted. Response dot write. I want to print one message saying that response dot write of record is bus is deleted. Bus is deleted. Else I want to display a message saying that deletion failed. Or simply I will display one message saying that failed. Once debug and check the output. Here you can see how the program is executing also. Admin will log in with his username and password, and he will view the bus details. Now when I click on the delete button, automatically row deleting event will fire. And here data keys, here you can check the number of rows that are available within the grid view controller for row index. I clicked on the 4th row. So the index number is 3. And the value that is available in that particular 4th row is sv underscore 4. I catch the value of the service number. Now I set the value for the property, and now the presentation layer is interacting with what? Business logic layer. Now business logic layer is interacting with what? Data access layer. And data access layer will interact with the database and will delete the record. If the record is deleted, it will return 1. And again it will send the result back to business logic layer. And again business logic layer will send the result back to presentation layer. Now you will get one message saying that bus is deleted. So here I added some more records within our table, bus table. Some 3 more records I added. Now what is my requirement is, I want to apply paging facilities within the grid view control. So right click on grid view, and here you can go to the properties, and here you are having a property called allow paging. So here I have a property called allow paging. I will make this property as true. Allow paging property as true. So here you see what is the use of automatically you can see some page numbers are available within the grid view control. So right click, go to the properties. This grid view there is one more property called page size is 10. It means that we can display 10 records for a particular page, but I want to display only 2 records. Let us see here. Now whenever user clicks on the page number, then automatically page index changing event will fire. So right click on grid view, go to the properties. There you can go to the events. There you can find an event called page index changing event. So here you see, double click on page index changing event and write the code. So whenever user clicks on page number, it has to go to the next page. For that I will write some code saying that grid view 1 dot, there is one property called as page index is equals to e dot new page index. So here new page index is a property that is available within this particular class, grid view page event class. You can call the property by using object name dot property name. It means that we need, when user clicks on page number, display the records in the next page. And I need to again fill the data. So already we are having one method we have written on the top, that is fill bus data. I will call the same method once again. So here you see fill bus data. Now press F5 and check the output. Here you can see admin will select the view bus details, and here you see in each page it is displaying only 2 records. Click on second page, click on third page. So all the bus details will be displayed. In this manner we can work with paging facilities within the grid view control. In the next video I will explain how to perform the editing operations within the grid view control. For more videos you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as Facebook group. Thank you.